Let us go through Chapter 15, Transport. Means of transport, they have utmost importance in our country for the development of our country, because a well coordinated system of the transport, it leads to the development and foundation of our infrastructure. See, why do we require transport? For the purpose of transferring the goods, services from one place to another. So from the fields, the raw material, they would move to the industrial sector. From the industrial sector, the finished products will move into the market. For all of such type of the movement, what is required? A well managed system of the transport. Now transportation, it includes what? It includes the roadways, railways, airways, waterways, and very recently we have the pipeline transport as well. What is the importance of the transportation system in our country? Like the economic benefit is with regard to the growth of the industrial sector, agricultural production in the country, in the promotion of the foreign trade, in the promotion of the tourism. Then it forms the backbone of the country's economy because it unites people from all over the country. Social benefit of it, it says that it brings the people of the country together and it has reduced the distance between cities and villages. Let us go through roadways. Now roadways, they are the cheapest form of the transportation as compared to the other means of the transportation, and they also give the facility of the long distance travel. Now the roadways, they are one of the oldest and the most significant mode of the transportation that we have in the country. It can be constructed on the hilly areas and it can also be constructed over the dry semi-arid region, and it is the cheapest means that connects the villages with the urban areas of the country. It is also important because it transports the perishable items quickly. With regard to the classification of the road, we have got the expressways, national highways, then we have the golden quadrilateral. Here we have state highways, district roads, then we have the village road, international highway, border roads. Let us go through these. Expressways, they are the roads where we pay the toll tax. They are multi-lane and they are very well constructed, and they are used for the heavy movement of the goods and traffic. Now these roads, they are 4-lane, 6-lane or 8-lane highways, and they are the toll roads. Then we have the national highways, which is maintained by Central Public Work Department. These are the Pakka roads. They are the long metal road and they link all the places from where these road they passes. Now the pressure on the roadways, it is increasing because the volume of the vehicles on the road, they are increasing. Our national highway, it connects the metropolitan regions of the country like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. Now in order to give more importance to the trade and economic development of the country, the government has undertaken the project of National Highway Development Projects. Under it, we have the National Highway Authority of India, which is the agency of the Government of India, and it comes under Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Now, what is the role and importance of it? It tends to generate the employment for the local workers, those who are working on the project. Then the lower trade costs, they are there, reduced transportation cost, the roads, they can bear all the sort of the weather. Then they tend to unite people from all the corners of the country. Where Golden Quadrilateral is concerned, now it also comes under the National Highway Authority of India, and it connects Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Chennai. These are the 4 corridors of the country, and they are well connected. They are well connected with the Golden Quadrilateral Road. Now what are the objectives and the benefit of this project? Now, having made this road, the purpose is that the project should reduce the time and the distance between the mega cities of the country, better movement of the truck transportation, the bulky good transportation that takes place. Then the agricultural sector is helped, industrial growth is there even in the small towns from where these roads they pass. Then it gives the job opportunities. Then we have these state highways, where these state highways and the rural roads, they are maintained by the government agencies, state government and the union territories. Then we have the district road, which is maintained by Zilla Parishad, and then we have village roads. The care is taken by the village panchayat. International highways that link our nation with the neighboring countries. The World Bank provides the fund for the maintenance of these roads. Then we have the Border Road Organization. Now, India border, it is taken care by such by the development of such roads that come under the Border Road Organization. Then Indian Army Corps of Engineering, military police, and army personnel, they take care of it. There are few of the advantages of the road transport, that they are the cheapest means of the communication. Then the remote areas of the country, the interior areas of the country, the hilly regions of the country, they can be helped by the development of the road projects. Then the roadways can provide door-to-door services. The perishable items, commodities, they can reach to their places safely and in a quicker manner. And the roads, they provide the link between the railway station and the ports. Then the transportation of the agricultural and the industrial products and the raw materials, they could take place with the help of the roadways. Now there are certain disadvantages as well. Let us go through it. The very first of it is with regard to the unmetalled roads and the poor maintenance, and the problem of the waterlogging. It is seen at the time of the monsoons. Then there is always the shortage of the funds, and the maintenance of the road is also very poor. And there is heavy traffic flow at all of the time period. So this also create a lot of the problem. Accidents, they then commonly occur. Then there is the problem of the toll tax, which we have to very frequently pay now. Then the roadside amenities, facilities, they are also lacking.